On an alien world far beyond the stars, a lone explorer steps into the unknown. The atmosphere is thick with mystery, and beneath the surface of an otherworldly ocean lies a secret waiting to be uncovered. Armed with nothing but a spacesuit and unwavering courage, he prepares to venture into a world that no human has ever seen. As the submarine plunges deeper into the alien ocean, the light from above grows fainter. The water grows colder, but bioluminescent creatures light up the deep, casting an eerie glow. Yet the darkness ahead only grows thicker, hiding dangers that no one can predict. The ocean's depths prove more treacherous than anticipated. Without warning, a massive creature strikes, slamming into the submarine with terrifying force. The walls tremble and the lights flicker as the predator reveals itself. The boy's survival now hangs in the balance. After narrowly escaping the predator's clutches, the boy continues his journey into the abyss. What he discovers is an alien ecosystem unlike anything Earth has ever known, a thriving world hidden in the ocean's depths. Exploring further, the submarine uncovers something even more extraordinary, a hidden city built by an ancient alien civilization. Its ruins rest on the ocean floor, untouched by time. The boy knows he has stumbled upon a discovery that could change everything. In the heart of the ancient city, the boy uncovers strange inscriptions on the walls, indicating that the civilization once thrived, but something went horribly wrong. He feels the weight of their disappearance, realizing the danger that may still lie beneath the ocean. Suddenly, the ground shakes and the chamber is filled with a pulse of dark energy. The boy realizes that the ancient civilization didn't vanish. They were consumed. The creature that once destroyed them now stirs beneath the ocean once more, ready to rise. The boy races against time as the massive creature chases the submarine through the alien waters. It's faster, stronger, and more terrifying than anything he could have imagined. He must make it to the surface before it's too late. With all his strength, the boy pushes the submarine toward the surface. As the ocean above breaks open and the light of the distant planet floods the submarine, he knows he's escaped the clutches of the creature, at least for now. In the quiet after the storm, the boy reflects on the mysteries he has uncovered. The ocean is a living world full of ancient secrets and dangers, but it's only the beginning. There are more layers of this planet to explore and more unknown creatures waiting to be discovered. As the boy prepares for his next mission, he knows the ocean still holds many secrets. The next challenge lies ahead, waiting to be uncovered. The mysteries of this alien world are far from over. The alien oceans hold many more secrets, and this is only the beginning. Will you join the explorer on his next adventure? Stay tuned for what lies beneath the depths. The alien ocean is far deeper than he ever imagined. With every discovery, new questions emerge, new creatures, and secrets from a forgotten past. The boy knows this planet still holds its greatest mysteries, and he's ready to dive back into the unknown once again. The alien ocean still holds countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. Will you follow the explorer into the deepest parts of this world? Stay tuned for more discoveries in the deep unknown.